Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Xinpu Town in Hsinchu County is famous for its persimmon cakes. The fruit is skinned and dried before being eaten. The persimmons are not actually grown in Xinpu, but villages across Taiwan send the fruit there to be processed, as Xinpu boasts a dry climate suited to the process. When in Xinpu, don't miss the old Liu family home and the Baozhong Ting Yimen Temple.
新竹县的新浦镇有柿饼之乡之称，但其实新浦的柿子产量并不多。由于地形优势、少雨，再加上当地人称为九降风的东北季风等因素，靠着加工柿子做成柿饼而闻名。去新浦可以参观古迹刘氏家祠、宝宗亭义民庙。
Hi everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
大家好，我係李玉煌。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Again, bringing you to different towns from time to time, and today we're going to Hsinchu County, which again is full of a lot of Hakka culture, and there's a town called 新浦镇，这里也是客家文化很多的地方。
对对不对？到一個新浦去了的時候，一聽到食的你就會吃一餅。
吃也饼要吃的饼哦，
这是柿饼
哦，柿饼哦，用那个水果柿子来做的饼，
对，用整颗那个柿子，
它弄干了，对不对？You know what? There's a fruit that's very popular in Taiwan and through certain countries in Asia. It's called the persimmon, and they actually dry it up and make it into a kind of a candy cake, and it's called 柿饼。
吃一餅。
Leo 他们那边附近好像有所谓的文化节，对不对？
对，9月到12月。
Oh, okay. So between the months of September and November, that's exactly when you should go because that's when they are harvesting the persimmons a lot and they're having a lot of cultural festivities around the town. 那除了这个好吃的柿饼之外，那附近还有什么可以参观吗？在这个新浦镇？
講到這個新浦一定要去就可以去參觀這個義民廟。
Okay, so there is the Yiming Temple that you can also find over there, which is a historical site that you don't want to miss. And I guess when you go there, 應該也要去拜拜 right?
對。
拜拜怎麼說啊？
拜牙。
拜呀，拜拜。
对，像说我要去拜拜，我愛去拜牙。
Oh, okay. If you say I want to go 拜拜，我愛去拜牙，这个地方应该蛮热闹的才对了。
很热闹，非常熱鬧。
哦，熱鬧順便教一下。
鬧熱。
That means it's very lively, it's very crowded, and that's the spirit of the 義民廟, of course. All right, let's review some of these terms. The persimmon cakes, 柿餅。
吃一餅。
Okay. Then there's the 義民 temple, 義民廟。
義民廟
and then you want to go worship the gods in there 要去拜拜
我愛去拜牙
and finally hopefully it's going to be very lively and crowded 希望那个地方很热闹咯
動鬧熱
Well, that does it for today's Let's Talk Hakka right here on ICRT
什麼大家
安子say 張來了
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.